Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Awakening with Alison. Today, we are going to focus on cultivating gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can shift our perspective, enhance our well being, and open our hearts. So let's start by finding a comfortable seat or lie down in a relaxed position. Take a moment to slowly close your eyes and take a few deep, calming breaths, letting go of any tension or stress you may be feeling, and coming to the present moment. We will begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Notice how your body gently rises and falls with each breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, I invite you to bring to mind something or someone you are grateful for. It could be a loved one, a friend, a pet, or even a beautiful moment that you recently experienced. Hold this image in your mind and allow yourself to feel the warmth and joy it brings. Now silently repeat the following affirmations. I am grateful for the love and support in my life. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I am grateful for the beauty of this present moment. Allow these affirmations to resonate deeply within you, feeling the gratitude grow with each repetition. I am grateful for the love and support in my life. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I am grateful for the beauty of this present moment. Now, let's expand our circle of gratitude. Think of something in your life that you may have taken for granted. It could be as simple as the roof over your head, the food on your table, or the air you breathe. And take a moment to truly appreciate these blessings. Silently repeat, I am grateful for the simple joys in life. I am grateful for the opportunities that come my way. I am grateful for the lessons that help me grow. Feel the gratitude filling your heart, expanding outwards and touching every part of your being. Now, let's extend this gratitude to ourselves. Often we forget to appreciate our own efforts and achievements. Think of something you have done recently that you are proud of, no matter how small it may seem. Acknowledge your hard work, your perseverance, and your courage. And silently repeat, I am grateful for my strength and resilience. I am grateful for my growth and progress. I am grateful for the love and kindness I show myself. Take a few moments to sit with this feeling of gratitude, allowing it to permeate your entire being. Imagine this gratitude as a warm, glowing light that radiates from your heart, spreading to every cell in your body, and then out into the world. As we come to the end of this gratitude meditation, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of gratitude with you throughout your day, and remember that you can return to this practice whenever you need a reminder of the blessings in your life.